Welcome to Changi Airport, Singapore's iconic gateway to the world and consistently ranked as the world's best airport. Today, we are diving into its crown jewel, the mesmerizing Jewel Changi. Join me as we explore this incredible oasis and see why it's a must-visit, even if you are just passing through. Our journey begins with the breathtaking Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall, cascading down from a height of 40 meters. This marvel is the centerpiece of Jewel Changi and draws visitors from around the globe. Surrounded by the lush greenery of the Shiseido Forest Valley, the Rain Vortex transforms into a captivating light and sound show every evening, turning Jewel Changi into a magical wonderland. Beyond the Rain Vortex, Jewel Changi's interior offers a serene escape for travelers and visitors alike. The complex seamlessly blends nature with architecture, creating a space where you can relax, shop, and dine, all under one stunning glass dome. Changi Airport's Skytrain system is an effortless and scenic way to travel between terminals. Operating 24/7, the Skytrain whisks passengers through the airport, offering a glimpse of its architectural beauty along the way. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you soon.